creamy garlic, herb chicken thighs, slow cooker edition. This dish is so good it'll have everyone thinking you've got a secret chef hiding in your kitchen, but nope, it's all you and I've got your back. First up, grab your slow cooker and turn on the saute setting. If your slow cooker doesn't have this magical button, don't panic. You can do this step in a skillet. Add a luxurious combo of olive oil and butter like the culinary power couple they are and let them melt together. While that's happening, season 6 to 8 bone-in, skinless chicken thighs with a little paprika, salt, and pepper. Feel free to give them a flirty little massage to make sure they're well coated. Then, sear those bad boys for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. We're not cooking them through here, just giving them a golden glow that screams, "I'm delicious." Take them out and set them aside for their big moment later. Now, let's talk about garlic, the MVP of this recipe. I use 6 to 8 cloves because we're not here to play. Toss the minced garlic into the slow cooker and saute it for a minute or two until your kitchen smells like heaven. Side note, if vampires were real, they'd run screaming from this dish. Time to build that creamy, dreamy sauce. Pour in chicken broth, heavy cream, and a generous half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a pinch of turmeric for a pop of color, and some dried thyme and rosemary for that herby goodness. Whisk it all together until it looks like something you want to dive into with a spoon. Nestle those golden seared chicken thighs back into the sauce. Make sure they're all snug and cozy in there. Cover your slow cooker, switch it to low, and let it work its magic for 6 to 7 hours. If you're in a hurry, go with high heat for 3 to 4 hours. Either way, by the end, your house is going to smell so good your neighbors might start showing up just to say hi. When the timer dings, the chicken will be so tender it'll practically fall off the bone. Remove any bones because nobody wants a surprise crunch, and give the sauce a quick stir. Oh, and if the sauce seems a little thin, whisk in a cornstarch slurry to thicken it up. We're going for creamy, not watery. This sauce has standards. Plate it up with your favorite carb, mashed potatoes, rice, or pasta. Honestly, you could pour this sauce over a choux and it would taste amazing. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley if you're feeling fancy, and voila, dinner is served. For the full written recipe and tips, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. Trust me, you'll want to bookmark this one. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because everyone needs a little more deliciousness in their life.